Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is AG Update. So guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how you can participate in the Kamino Airdrop campaign to maximize your chance of getting a potential reward. So this is a project under the Solana ecosystem. So it is a project that supports borrowing and lending and also liquidity. So recently they started a point system, and this point is going to be converted to the Kamino token in the future. So I'm going to show you guys how to maximize your chance of getting an airdrop by participating in some campaign. So there are different ways by which you can earn on Kamino, but I'm going to emphasize on one, which is lending and borrowing, because if you lend, if you borrow, you are going to increase your point rate. You can also add liquidity if you want, and you can also perform some other areas. So you can see on the screen that this is my point so far for participating in the Kamino event. So this point, like I said, is going to be converted to the Kamino token in the future. So I guess you have heard of JTO. So JTO is a project under the Solana ecosystem, and their airdrop was massive. So don't miss out on Kamino. And for you to start, what you need to do is to get a supported Solana wallet address. So you can use either Phantom wallet or you can use Software wallet. So I prefer using both because I normally participate in two airdrop events. So any airdrop campaign I'm participating in the Phantom, I'm also going to participate in the Software wallet to maximize my chance of getting maybe a massive reward. So like I said guys, you can either use Phantom wallet or you can use Software wallet because both are supported Solana wallet. So I'm going to show you guys how to start. What you need to do now is to either send some Solana as funds to Phantom wallet or the Software wallet, depending on the wallet you are using. So you can also send some stable coin if you want, but make sure to send a little amount of Solana to cover up for some gas fee. You can use either Solana, USDT, or USDC in lending. So I'm going to show you guys how to start. So this campaign, I'm going to use Software wallet in participating in it because I have a little fund in my Software wallet. You can use either Solana coin, USDT, USDC, or UXD stablecoin in participating in this campaign. So if you have any stablecoin in any exchange that you're not using, you can send it down to any of your supported Solana wallet and make sure to lend it to Kamino. So what you need to do after installing your wallet and sending some funds, your preferred funds, you need to lend it to the Kamino finance ecosystem. So if you have Solana and you want to convert to stable coin, you can click here. So if you click here, you can see space for Solana. You can select your preferred coin. If you want, you can click here to search. Then you swap some Solana to any stable coin of your choice or any token of your choice. So now what you need to do is to visit this site. So visit app.kamino.finance. So I'm going to drop the link at the description of this video so you can see you can borrow, you can lend. So what you need to do now is to click on connect wallet, go through the terms and condition, make sure to go through it, then click I have read and agreed. Please make sure to go through all these details, then you click on connect. So just click on connect. So I've connected my Software wallet to this site. So now what you need to do is to bring it down. You can see supply, you can see borrow. So I have USD which I'm going to lend to them. I'm going to click on supply now. I'm going to click on max. I want to supply everything to them. So per $1 you are getting 1 point. So I'm going to go so on the 19th of January 2024 they made a tweet on Kamino point is now live. You can now view and track your points in the Kamino blah blah blah. So if you bring it down, you're going to see that using any product on Kamino endpoint, borrow, lend, liquidity vote, multiply and long/shorts, but some activities are more valuable than the other. So as you can see on the screen, default point rate, Kamino lend supply 1 point per dollar per day, Kamino lend borrow 1 point per dollar per day, Kamino liquidity vote 1 point per dollar per day, launch boost, you can see so USDT, USDC, USDH supply 3 points per dollar per day. So if I take it down, you're going to see Kamino points will run KMNO token distribution in the future. So I don't want to make this video to be long, so I'm just going to continue from here. And we're just going to click on mark since I want to use USD. So this is another stable coin. There are a lot of stable coin also that you can use. So now you click on deposits, you go through the details and you make sure to confirm it. And you click on complete deposits. You make sure to have some Solana because they are going to charge you a little amount of so just click on swipe to confirm, or if you are using Phantom Wallet, just click on confirm. Now you swipe to confirm transaction. So looking on the screen, you can see deposit succeeded. So I just supplied them with 11.8 UXD. So you can see it. Alright, so let me take it up. Alright, so I just gave them $11.82 worth of USD, which is a stable coin. So if you click on withdraw, you can withdraw everything if you want. So if you click on withdraw at any time, you can withdraw everything, but I would advise you to leave it so that your points will keep adding, because we don't know the criteria for the amount of points you need to have for you to get the token in the future. So you can just leave it to get massive point, maybe 1k points above, 10k points above. So now what you need to do for you to earn points again is to borrow. So if you bring it down, you're going to see options for borrow. And please, I will advise you, if you want to borrow, please make sure to borrow a stable coin, like maybe the likes of USDT and USDC. So if you click on borrow, then you can click on max. You're going to see the amount they are going to allow you to borrow. So for you to borrow, they are going to give you points as well. So now I don't want to borrow in this account, but in my first account I borrowed. So in this one I'm just going to leave it. So you're going to leave it like this. So if you want to borrow, you click on borrow, then you are good to go. For this account I don't want to borrow. So you can borrow any stable coin of your choice. Better you borrow any stable coin of your choice. So every day now I'm going to be getting one point for the 11 USDT I staked. Yeah, so let's click on view points up. So it has not started waiting for me. So this is how to participate in the Kamino Airdrop campaign under the Solana ecosystem. So points per day is going to show very soon. Alright guys, so if you want to know how to participate in the MarginFi airdrop campaign to maximize your chance of qualifying for a MarginFi airdrop, I'm going to drop the link at the description of this video. So guys, I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and minimal grains to your wallet.